In this video, I'm going to be answering the question if you can view your debit card number on the Chase app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so no, Chase does not display the full debit card number in the Chase mobile app, mainly for security reasons at this point in time. But however, there's a few options. What you can see in the Chase app, so you can see the last 4 digits of your card. So you can find the last 4 digits of your debit card in the app under your checking account details. Digital wallet access. So if you added your card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, you can view the last 4 digits in your wallet. How to find your Chase debit card. So info. So open the Chase mobile app and make sure to log in. Select your checking account, link to the debit card. Look for your card details. It may show the last 4 digits. And here's a few different ways how to get your full card number. So check Chase online banking at chase.com. Still won't show the full number. Look at past online purchases. Some sites display the last 4 digits. The last option here, if you want to view your debit card number, is to contact Chase at that number to request a replacement if you lost your card. And I think it takes up to 5 business days for them to send that out. So yeah, for security reasons, Chase will not show the full debit card number in the app or website. If you need it, you have to use the physical card. At this point in time, there's no other way around it.